Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Tesla 12-volt battery. First, gather your essential tools: a 10mm socket, a trim removal tool, and your new 12-volt battery. Safety is paramount, so always wear gloves and eye protection. Before you begin, make sure your Tesla is completely powered off and in service mode to prevent any unexpected electrical issues or accidental activations during the process. Now, let's access the battery. Begin by opening your Tesla's front trunk, often called the frunk. You'll see some plastic trim panels. Gently remove these using a non-marring trim removal tool to expose the battery area. Once visible, carefully disconnect the negative terminal first, followed by the positive terminal. This specific order is crucial to prevent any accidental electrical shorts while working. With the terminals disconnected, it's time for removal. Locate and unfasten the battery hold-down bracket, which is usually secured by a single 10mm nut. Carefully lift out the old 12-volt battery. It can weigh around 25 pounds, so be prepared. Now, take your new 12-volt battery and carefully place it into the battery tray, ensuring it sits snugly and securely in its designated spot. For reassembly, connect the positive terminal first, then the negative terminal, making sure both connections are tight and secure. Next, carefully replace all the plastic trim panels you removed earlier, ensuring they snap firmly back into their original positions. Finally, close the frunk and power on your Tesla. Confirm that everything is functioning correctly and you've successfully replaced your 12-volt battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.